Good morning, everyone. And good morning to you, Emma. Good morning, Lily. Is it morning already? Yes, it is. Look at the window. The sun is shining. You are awake. Wow, I almost overslept today. My bed was so warm. I did not want to leave my pillow. I understand. Waking up is hard sometimes. Come here. Sit down, please. Thank you. I need to wake up. My eyes feel heavy. Here. Have some fresh coffee. Be careful, it is hot. Thanks, Lily. It smells so good. What kind of coffee is this? It is strong black coffee. It smells like roasted beans. It will help you wake up. That is delicious. It is hot and bitter, but I like it. It warms my stomach. So, Emma, tell me about yesterday. Huh? What did you do yesterday morning? Yesterday? Let me think. It was a very simple day. I woke up at 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock? That is a good time. That is not too late. Maybe not late, but I felt very tired. I felt sleepy. Very, very sleepy. Oh, I know that feeling. When the alarm rings, but your body wants to sleep more. Yes, exactly. First, I turned off my alarm. Then, I sat on my bed for 5 minutes. Just sitting. That is okay. Slow mornings are nice. But then, did you get up? Yes. Finally, I got out of bed. I put my feet on the floor. The floor was cold. The cold floor always wakes me up. So, you were up. What happened next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I needed to wash up. What is your routine in the bathroom? Do you brush your teeth first? Mint is fresh. It makes your breath smell good. I brush my teeth. Up and down, left and right.
Scrub, scrub, scrub. Very good hygiene. Clean teeth are important.
And then?
Then I washed my face. I used warm water and soap. Warm water feels nice on the skin. Did you use a towel?
I looked more awake. Nice! That is a good start. For me, I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock? Wow! That is so early, Lily! Yes! My alarm rings. Ring, ring, ring! Like a turtle. We are all different. After I brush my teeth, I also take a shower. Do you shower in the morning? Yes. Yesterday, I took a shower. The water was hot. It felt like rain. I love showers. The water washes away the sleepiness. You feel fresh.
Exactly. I washed my hair with shampoo.
It smelled like lemons. Lemon shampoo?
That sounds very fresh and clean. So, yesterday I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and took a shower. I felt clean and ready. Oh, yes! Breakfast time! The best time of the day! What did you eat yesterday? I made toast, 2 slices of bread. I put them in the toaster. I love that sound. Pop, pop. Hot toast is crispy. Did you put butter on it? Yes, a little butter. And I boiled an egg. A boiled egg? Hard-boiled. I like the yolk solid. I put a little salt on the egg. Toast and eggs. That is a classic breakfast. And what did you drink? Just like today. I drank black coffee. No sugar. No milk. Black coffee is very strong. You are brave! It wakes me up.
What about you, Lily? What do you usually eat?
I like something sweet. I usually eat cereal with milk. Cereal? Is it crunchy? Yes. That sounds tasty. Sometimes I eat yogurt. Do you like yogurt? I love yogurt. I eat it with a spoon. It is cold and soft.
And maybe some fruit?
Yes! Bananas and yogurt are perfect. It gives me energy for the day. Though we are similar, but not the same. You like cold cereal. I like hot toast. Exactly. Different breakfasts, but both are delicious. Yesterday. Honestly, I really wanted to stay in bed. I did not want to make breakfast.
Me too sometimes.
Staying in bed is wonderful. But I told myself, come on, Emma, get up now, go eat. Good motivation. If you miss breakfast, you will be hungry later. Yes, breakfast is important. It is fuel for the body. But Emma, how am I supposed to choose when everything is everywhere? We need more hangers. Yes, every morning is a fashion show. What do you want to wear today? Maybe this blue shirt? What do you think?
That blue shirt looks nice. The color is like the sky. It suits you.
Thank you. Great choice. I will wear this blue shirt. And for pants?
These jeans are simple. Jeans go well with everything. Perfect. Hi.
Blue shirt, blue jeans. Done. Simple and comfortable. Yesterday, I wore a white dress. It was a beautiful dress. A dress? Was it for a special day? No, just a normal day. But the dress was light and cool. I felt pretty. Nice. You always look very fresh. Do you like my outfit today? Wow. Yes! That yellow top is so bright.
Like the sun. Thanks. Yellow makes me feel happy.
What did you wear yesterday when it was cold? Yesterday morning was cold. Brr. So I put on a sweater. A thick, warm sweater.
I remember. But today is warm. The sun is out. Yes.
So, no sweater today. Just a t-shirt or a light blouse.
Okay.
Clothes are ready. Shoes are on. What is next?
Let's check our phones.
I see, many messages. I check emails first. I have work emails. It is a little boring. I check the news. I want to know what is new in the world. What is the news today? Is it good news? It says the weather is sunny all day. Great! That is the best news. Yesterday, it rained all morning. True. Rain is not fun. It was wet and gray. I needed an umbrella. Before we leave, do you make your bed every morning? Yes. I make my bed now.
Watch me. Okay, show me. I pull up the sheet. Smooth it out. Swish, swish. Then I fold the blanket. That is a good habit. A tidy bed makes the room look clean. Yesterday, I forgot. I left my bed messy.
It happens. Nobody is perfect. But today, the bed looks neat.
Done. The room feels better. Now, I need to pack my bag. What do you put in my bag? I put my notebook in the bag. I need to write notes. And I pack my water bottle. Water is important. Stay hydrated. Yesterday,
I forgot my keys. It was terrible. Oh no, you forgot your keys.
What did you do?
I remember I called you. I stood outside the door.
Lily, help me.
Yes, I remember. You waited outside for 20 minutes.
today we check everything. Let's check together. Phone?
Check. Wallet? Check. Keys? Check. Good. Bag is ready. No mistakes today. Before we walk, let's stretch. Stretch your arms up. High to the sky. Oh, feels good. I stretch my back. Crack. I feel awake now. My blood is moving. Yesterday, I did not stretch. I was too sleepy. My body felt stiff.
Stretching helps the body. Just a few minutes is enough.
Okay, let's walk. Wow, the sun is bright outside.
Yes, smell the air.
The air is fresh. I love morning air. I walk slowly today.
Step by step.
Left, right, left, right.
Why slowly?
Are you not in a rush? No rush today. Yesterday, I walked very fast. Run, run, run. I was late.
Today is better. Look at the trees. They are green and beautiful. And look at the flowers. Red and yellow flowers.
The street is quiet. No cars. Just birds singing.
Tweet, tweet.
It is a good start to the day. I like walking with you, Lily. Me too, Emma. Walking with a friend makes the path shorter.
Now we are ready.
We have clothes, bag, phone, all done. We had breakfast. We dressed. We walked. Perfect morning. Yesterday was busy and stressful. Today feels ease and light. Thank you for joining me. Let's sit down on this bench. Always happy to join. Sitting feels nice after walking. Yesterday, I sat by the window. I watched the rain.
Was it peaceful?
Yes. I drank tea and watched the street.
It was very calm. I felt safe. Look, I have a small book in my bag. Oh? What book is it? It is a storybook.
I read a few pages every morning. Nice. Yesterday, I read the news on paper.
But books are quieter. I like real books. I like the smell of paper. Reading is good for the mind. Just 10 minutes of reading is fine.
You learn new words. 10 minutes yesterday made me happy. It wakes up my brain.
I play music now. Do you want to listen? Do you want to listen? What song? Is it loud? No, it is a slow, soft song. Piano music. It helps me relax. Yesterday, I listened to fast music. Boom, boom, boom. It gave me energy.
Wow. Fast music is good for exercise. But today, we are calm. Calm is good for focus.
The music is lovely.
Okay, playtime is over. I put my laptop on the table.
I opened the screen. And I opened my notebook.
You write notes by hand?
Yes. Yesterday I wrote about my day.
Like a diary.
Dear diary, today I woke up early. Like that? Exactly. It helps me remember my life.
Good idea. I stretch one last time. My neck, my arms. Yesterday, I forgot to stretch. My back was sore all day. Ouch. Stretching helps. Just 1 minute makes a big change.
My body feel ready now.
Same here. Let's see. Clothes? Yes. Bag? Yes. Phone? Yes. Laptop? Yes. Do you have your charger? Yes. Yesterday I forgot my charger. My laptop died. It was bad. Not today. You are prepared. I put the charger in my bag. I am smart today. Ready for work. The morning routine is complete. What a nice morning. Yes, yesterday was busy, but today feels smooth. We ate, dressed, walked, read, and stretched. Perfect
Is our simple morning routine. You can try it too. It is easy and useful. Wake up,